Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette and I'm with Fufusha Dolls. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super easy paper tassel. You see, I wanted to create it in a way that I did not need a ruler or a special pair of scissors. So let's get started. Now the template's going to be a post-it note, so get yourself a 4x4 post-it note, place it on top of your paper and cut around it. Now the thinner the paper, the easier this will work. After you're done cutting, you're going to fold it in half and you're going to use a bone folder and just completely crease over it. Next, you're going to cut the strips. Now you're going to cut on the open-ended side of the piece of paper. And you will not cut all the way to the top. Leave at least a 1/4 inch or a little less. After you're done cutting, you're going to fold it the opposite direction and again crease it with your bone folder. Next, you will start to fold and then crease it with your bone folder so it can be nice and tight, and then continue to fold and then continue to fold as you go on. It is better if you make it a thin fold or strip, that way it could fit through the jump ring. And now that I'm done folding, I just cut a little bit of excess of paper off. Now you will fold the tassel in half and give it another crease with that bone folder just so it can be nice and sturdy. Now insert the jump ring. Remember, it has to be big enough for it to fit through the paper tassel. Very carefully you can do so. Put it in, and then you're going to add a dab of hot glue just to secure it in place. Secure the twine with a little bit of hot glue on the inside part of the tassel. Now you're going to wrap around the twine and finish it off by adding a little bit of glue on the outside part and just cutting off your twine. I hope you have fun making these paper tassels just like I did, and I hope I inspired you too. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Also, subscribe to my channel for future video uploads. And give this video a big like. Let me know what you think. Until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.